video is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Napoli. Napoli is the ransomware that is able to damage the files. My video though is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and I will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the data without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Napoli ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and then people realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware is able to encrypt the files and damage them essentially. Then the ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. The ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this Napoli extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note and it also changes the desktop background. The ransom note tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom, but I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. Instead, I recommend you to remove this horrible ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Go to the page combocleaner.com through your Internet Explorer browser, combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then start researching your system. So Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start a Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations, whereas some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. You can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. As I said, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it's able to remove the ransomware and to protect your data in the future. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.